to get started. We're gonna do our first video where I'm gonna offer you some recommendations while you use your new book. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you have your book ready. The first topic is the greetings and farewells in Spanish. This is actually a really simple one. It's very easy to find free options online. So I'm going to go ahead and put the list underneath for you. Okay, so I want to recommend Maria Jaramillo to you because on whynotspanish.com, they have a YouTube channel, and I used a lot of her videos when I was a Spanish teacher. So I think she gives a really good explanation in general on various Spanish topics. So I would definitely check out her YouTube, and I will link that below. She gives, in this particular video, just 6 basic greetings. There are 3 greetings and then 3 farewells. So that would be one person that I would highly recommend. And then the other one, you guys, I love these two, would be these two from Spanish and Go. I also used a lot of their videos when I was a Spanish teacher. So yeah, I hope that this helps you. I'm going to put in a bunch of links underneath this video so that you can take a pick and see what works best for you. And I also want to tell you about the beginner Spanish course that I have. And I'll put the link of how you can get that underneath the video. So it does have a lot of topics, and that free lesson is available on my Teachers Pay Teachers website. So even as an independent learner, if you'd like to take a look at the free lesson, you can do that through the Teachers Pay Teachers website. There are 2 videos involved in the lesson, and then there is a PDF and a quiz. So if you'd like to try those out, people who are doing Montessori, so it starts out like that. You'll be able to find it on my YouTube. But if you're not a teacher, chances are you'll be wanting to find Okay, so there you have it. I've given you a few tips for freebies, and I hope that you enjoy the beginning of your journey as you go through this book. Don't forget, though, that there are some components that are suggested in this book. It's not just watching the videos. So when you're learning a language, you need to make sure that you're doing listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So that is addressed in that book. I hope you enjoy it y buena suerte. Nos vemos. Hasta pronto.